Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a clean up video, cleaning motivation video. So after Christmas, I've brought everything down because I'm gonna put them back in the boxes and pack them again. So this is the last view of the Christmas decoration. You all know it's lockdown, so this is the office. This place is office at the moment. So half of the living room is office, and well, but the rest of us have to go to work. So this is how we look. Especially one thing I need to do is the sofa. Guys, take a look at my sofa. I'm even ashamed. It's in a mess. But look here, I've got my Vanish cleaning solution. I'm gonna spray it on. So by the time I finish taking the Christmas tree down, that will be done. So I can clean it. I can give it a good clean before, I don't know. It's 2021. This room needs to look nice and tidy. So stay tuned for the video. Thank you. Guys, so I need to put this back. And look at the way they've designed this thing. Oh, flip. All right, let me think. Ding, 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 ding. Is it this way? No. And you won't believe it, I've used this for almost 6 years, and I still, every time, I don't remember how to put them back. Samuel, I think this is the wrong one. Give me the other one. Cannot go and throw it. Samuel,
A few moments later.
So now I am going to try and put this back. If I tell you I've used this for years, it's even broken because I've used it for years. You won't believe it, but I always find it difficult to put it back. Da 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 da! I've managed to put it back. If you can, please put stuffs back in a box. It helps to keep it nicely. If you like me doing more cleanup and decorating videos, can you please like the video? I'm waiting for you to like it. 3, 2, 1, go. Yay, thank you very much. God bless you. All right, let me get on with this job. Hey, I'm done with the tree, so it's left to do the sofas, hoover, and finish off with this cleaning video. I hope I motivate you to get something done in your home. Let's get this going, guys. See you. I am going to put some Zaflora in the water so that I can use it a good smell. Is that right? Not a lot, just a little bit. All right, let's go on our goodness. My sofas are dirty and I'm making it more messy. Doesn't do a good job. It does leave you a little bit of marks. I don't want to waste my money, so I'm finishing it before I buy a new one. is this rectangle.
Yeah.
If your table is rectangle like this, it will be it's nice when you put same tray on top of it to do your table decoration, so that at least it looks, because if you put a round one on it, it's alright, but mine, I prefer to put the same shaped tray on it. And putting trays on top of things makes it nicer instead of leaving everything on the table. So if you, in case you and your family are gonna have dinner or drinks or anything, you can just pick this up, put it under, so you can have space on the table to use, on your coffee table to use. So this is what I said, this glass cleaner.
Show it to the other camera.
So guys, this video is done. The sofas are not dry properly, that's why you can still see the white bits. It's just the cleaning the Vanish that I use, so it will be dry and it's getting late. I need to go have a shower and hit my bed. So this is how it all turns up. Everything is nicely done, beautiful. The tree is out. Very nice. So this whole thing is done. I hope you all are doing great. If you're new here, a very big warm welcome to you. If you're an old friend, thank you very much. God bless you all. I hope you are taking good care of yourself. I am doing great here. Sweden, we are on lockdown, but hopefully we come out very soon. So God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and please don't forget to hit the like button to help your girl grow up on YouTube. Thank you. God bless you all. Take good care of yourself. Remember, you are important too, so take very good care of yourself. God bless. Bye.